Welcome back to the 90-gallon freshwater low tech with highlights LEDs Planet Aquarium. And at this is a 40-gallon water change, and the Fluval 406 you can see is on upper right hand corner. Both aqua clears are off and up for some cleaning. When I vacuum the gravel, I usually stick to the front part, and the sides is usually where a lot of the detritus starts to build up. So I basically vacuum the outer perimeter. And Fluval 300-watt heater sits back in this corner. So I took that out, cleaned it, and then vacuumed underneath it. Did a bunch of pruning of some dead leaves. And there seems to be a lot of detritus settling on the leaves, so I do my best to clear that off. There was a piece of algae in the previous videos right here on this Malaysian driftwood that was removed, and then I do my best to clean up the moss here. A lot of excess nutrients builds up in the tank and starts to settle on the substrate and the leaves of the plants. So I will be shifting my focus towards the freshwater aquarium for the next couple of vids. And one thing I've been wanting to try out is CO2 on the tank, so I started researching that, and look forward to putting a video out on my experience with this tank and CO2. No new updates on the livestock, and I'm going to pause the video here and start filling the tank back up. Alright, we're back. Fluval 406 is up for a switch out of the filter media, and I basically have two sets of the media. I take out these and switch them right over. The new ones, these go in here. These are fresh ones that have been cleaned. And my main biological media is the tank. So by me switching out just the sponges, it has no, if any, or perhaps a minor, very little impact on my overall biofilter overall cycling of the tank for that reason. And yeah, so it's pretty quick, so it's not offline too long. And I'm not sure if you can see all that, but the canisters in the back, I switch it out and then literally just put this back in. That goes first. These I do not change. This is the heart of my system here. So these three trays are full with different sizes of C-Chem matrix, and denitrate is a smaller size, and then the larger stones or the pond matrix. So these I never switch out. This is the heart of the system. It's the main reason I usually go, I'm up to probably 45 days without water changes. And I contribute that to the way I'm using my Fluval 406 and the number of plants to fish ratio I have here. Alright, so we'll keep it moving forward and we'll be right back. Completed 40-gallon water change to recall, and I'm back using chemical filtration on the tank, and you can see how, I guess what do they call it, the redox of the tank. It looks like the fish are kind of floating on air. You can barely see that they're in water, which is pretty cool. Heaters have clicked on, and the pumps for the wave makers are attached to the same timer as the heater, so all those click on. And currently I'm running both AquaClear 110s. I can get this to focus. There we go. Let's see, pH is at 6.67, temperature is 82.8 to 83.2. Quick look at how the AquaClear 110 is set up in just a moment. Okay, we're back, and both AquaClear 110s are set up exactly the same. First chamber here is a simple filter pad, and then the same filter pad is over here, and then over here that chamber has carbon and phosgard, and then that is a bag of Seachem Purgin in the back. Moved some of the gravel back just to give you a sense. Be right back. Okay, so pulled a bunch of the moss out, and this tank is in desperate need of some CO2. So we're going to give that a shot. First a DIY, and maybe I'll do a canister. And that completes the update for 40-gallon water change on a 90-gallon Planet aquarium. Thanks for watching. Welcome new subscribers.